Hello everyone, my name is Azan Ahmed and I welcome you all to my video presentation. So today I'll be walking you through a Power BI project analysis conducted by the Code Basic Academy. In this analysis, we are going to be given a real-world scenario database of an imaginary insurance company. Now our goal here is to analyze this imaginary insurance company dataset, exploring the dataset, extracting key insights from this dataset that will guide the stakeholders in making informed decisions regarding various insurance policies and the overall health of the company at large. So let's get straight into our analysis. So the first page we have on this project is called the landing page. This page provides a quick access to different sections of our analysis, with each icon navigating to different pages on this project. So I'll be taking you through the various pages you have on this project and the insights that they provide to us with regards to the dataset. And when you click on this general view icon, it leads us to the general view page. So this is our general view page. This page keeps track of key customer and revenue metrics at a glance, with month-over-month comparison and various city breakdown. To the left of our screen, we have different icons that navigate to different sections of our analysis. And to the top right corner of our page, we have different filters. And here on this visual, this is a filter visual. We have the option to filter through our data by year, or you filter through by month. And here you have the option to filter through our data daily. So anytime you filter through our data here, every other visual on this page dynamically updates itself. Here on this visual shows the total revenue of the selected month, and to the bottom we have a value which represents the total revenue of the month before the selected month. So let's say for instance you want to see the total revenue for February. This displays the total revenue for February highlighted in green, and to the bottom here, this displays the total revenue of the previous month, which is going to be January. And this year, in percentage form, represent the increase or the decrease in percentage between the previous month and the current selected month. And here on this visual shows the total number of customers for the selected month as compared to the previous month. And here on this visual shows the daily revenue of the selected day as compared to the previous day. And here we have a visual that shows the total number of customers of the selected day as compared to the previous day. Here you can see a city by city breakdown of the total number of customers we have in each city and the total revenue generated in each city. And here we can see a age group breakdown of the total number of customers with respect to each group and the total revenue generated in each group. And here we have a table that basically combine these two tables together. Here we have the line chart which shows the monthly trend of the total number of revenue, and this visual here helps us to toggle between the monthly trend of the total number of revenue and the monthly trend of the total number of customers. So you can toggle between these two to get the monthly trend of the total number of revenue and the monthly trend of the total number of customers. And here we have the sales mode icon, and when you click on it, it leads us directly to our sales mode analysis page. And to the left of our page, just like the previous page, we have different icons that leads you to different pages on our project. And here we have we have the filter visuals that helps to filter through the data set. And here we have a bar chart visual that illustrates the percentage contribution of customers from each sales mode. And here we have a bar chart. We also have a bar chart visual that illustrates the revenue percentage contribution for each sales mode. And here we have a line chart representing the monthly revenue trend of each sales mode, with each sales mode being represented with different colors. So we'll move on to the next page, which is the age group analysis. And here we have the age group analysis icon. And when you double click on this icon, it takes you directly to the age group analysis page. And here we have the age group analysis page. At the uppermost part of our slide, we have different filter visuals. Here you have the option to select through different policy ID. Here you have the option to select through different age groups. You also have the option to select through different use mode. And on this filter, you have the option to choose a specific year and then select any month within that year for detailed analysis. On this visual, which is a bar chart, this represents the relationship between age group versus policy preference. This bar chart represents the relationship between the average settlement by age group, and this bar chart here represents the relationship between the age group and different use mode. And this line chart represents the monthly trend of the total number of customers for each age group as represented with different colors. And this last visual here represents the total number of customers for each age group. And here we have the bike icon. When you double click on this bike icon, it takes you back to the landing page. And this will be the end of my video presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you drop your comments below.